Hi, Sarah. Can you get me our revenue by region?
Yes, of course. How many records are there now? Over 5,000. I could sort the data like this and then select the records in that region, and there is. Better still, I could use the filter tool. Let me put the filters on. Now, I can select the East region, then select cells and.
Sarah, I also need profit by product category. Thanks.
Okay, no problem. I can still filter, so I will filter by product category. I will choose accessories and then select.
Also, Sarah, by end of the day, I will also need figures for which month had the highest sales, which salesperson generated the most profit, and how much revenue came from existing customers. Thanks, Sarah.
Of course, I can do that. I'll just need a little time to work through the numbers.
Trying to analyze thousands of records without me, are we?
Well, the manager keeps changing and adding more questions, and I have to start all over again.
Sarah, pivot tables help you answer all those questions instantly. Give me 30 minutes and I will show you how.
30 minutes later.
Go, get them, kid.
Okay, let's go. Revenue per region. That was quick and easy. Now, profit by product category. I will move that here and that there. And now I have that report. She also wants the name of salesperson who made the biggest profit. So I will just remove this and replace with its salesperson, and then sort highest to lowest. I love pivot tables.
Improve your own Excel skills or train an entire team, we've built a practical course for real-world Excel users. Our 6-level online program takes learners from beginner to advanced and now includes using Excel with AI, ensuring every skill level is covered. For businesses and universities, we support groups from 3 users to over 1,000. Managers can track progress, monitor results, and see team performance in real time. Course levels include online exams, and learners who achieve 75% receive an automatically generated CPD-certified Excel certificate. Individual and corporate group licenses available. Learn Excel. Work faster.